Hello buddies, let's make Okpa or Bambara moi moi with one special ingredient that will boost the taste of your Okpa to top notch. Like everyone that will taste your Okpa will love it. It's super easy to make and it tastes amazing. Just few ingredients and one special ingredient that will boost the taste of your Okpa or Bambara moi moi. So if you are from this part of the country, Nigeria or some other South African countries, you will know how to make this. So let me show you how to make this. What you need for this recipe is just about 2 cups of your Bambara flour. I'll be sharing a video how to make your Bambara flour shortly. Then you're going to add some salt and one secret ingredient which is the Oziza seed, or what you call West African black pepper seed powder. You have to blend it, or what you call Ashanti pepper. Next, you add in your ground dry pepper. You can also use fresh pepper. Next, you add palm oil. Your Okpa needs enough palm oil to bring out the color, the flavor and the taste. Okay, you need enough palm oil for your Okpa, but don't add too much, but make sure you add enough such that when you are done mixing with your palm oil, you're going to have your Okpa batter just this way. You see the color. Next, you're going to start adding your boiled water or your hot water. You need hot water. You don't have to add your hot water all at once, else your Okpa will have seeds in it. So you need to be adding it gradually, little at a time, while you mix. You can as well wash your hand thoroughly and use your hands to mix it if you want, but if you don't want to use your hands, you can just do just the way I'm doing it in the video. Okay, so if you like, you can use your hand. If you like, you may not use your hand. The only thing you want here is to make sure that you mix this perfectly with no lumps in it. So you can see that I changed from using the spoon to using my hand whisks because I don't want any lumps in my Okpa. And you don't need to add too much of water in your Okpa, because if you add too much of water, it's going to be watery and it's not going to thicken very well or become firm when it's cooked. Okay, you can do the spoon test, use it to dip in your Okpa. If it's a little bit clear, not too clear, it's okay. Now you can go in with extra pepper if you want. Here I just use the bell pepper. You can use fresh atarodo or scotch bonnet pepper. Just blend it or mash it a little, then you can add it for extra spicy taste and all that. Now you can use these oma leaves to tie your Okpa, and also you can use banana or plantain leaf that you've just placed on top of it a little. Then make sure that it's well tight. There is no place that your Okpa batter is going to seep through. Okay, because if you don't tighten it so well, it may seep through. So if you are using the plantain leaves, make sure you tie it on one edge first, then pour in your Okpa batter, then you tie it on the other side. Some persons normally put the Okpa in nylon, then drop it inside the oma leaves or inside the plantain leaves, whichever one they are using, then tie it both ends with a rope, a kind of a twine or a rope, so it doesn't seep out. But some other persons use nylon, just as you see. If you are using the nylon, make sure that when you are tying it, there shouldn't be any space at the top of the nylon, so that if it's like that, it's going to, when your Okpa cooks, you're going to have a hole at the center. So make sure there is no space at the top. Okay, so this one I just poured into the nylon, then I dropped it inside the oma leaves. So if you also have like moi moi pouch, you can also use it to make your Okpa. Just pour inside, then seal it, and you can use it to cook your Okpa. But before you drop in your Okpa inside your water, make sure your water is boiling already. Okay, and make sure you shake the Okpa before dropping it inside the water. Okay, this will help the ingredient and everything to disperse so well, so that everything will not go and pack one side, because if you don't shake it, some of the oil and everything will just pack one side, and some part will be white. Okay, and also when you drop it in the water, you have to stir it. Okay, stir it a little so that the the ingredients is going to mix well, so they will not go and pack just one side and one side be white and the other side will not be white, or will not be colored just like that. So that's how you have to do it. So once you are done stirring for a few seconds, you're going to cover your okpa and let it cook for at least 1 hour, 50 minutes to 1 hour, and your okpa is ready. Okay, you will know that your okpa is ready when you take it out, touch it, you see that it will be firm, and then you're going to take it out from the heat, and then you are ready to enjoy your okpa. Yes, you are ready to enjoy your okpa. There's one secret I want to tell you guys. Make sure you add your oil before adding water, because and once you are done adding water, please don't add extra oil, because if you add extra oil, the oil is going to settle on the outside of the okpa just like that. It's not going to mix so well with the okpa. You see that your okpa will be too oily on the outside. Okay, so don't do that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you love this video, and I hope you're going to share and drop your comment. See you in the next one.